In this video, I will discuss about MSc first semester geology group question paper. This is the first paper of geology subject is comparative study of lower non-coordinates. In this first question is describe the following with suitable diagrams. In this sub question is flagellar movements, pinocytosis, amoeboiosis, types of spicules, archaeocytes, coral reefs, origin of metazoa, encyclostomiasis, Cysticercus, metacercaria larva. Cysticercus, metacercaria larva. Okay. Now here is a question from first unit. Okay, this is second question number. Describe the various modes of nutrition in protozoan. Okay, now third question. Third, okay, describe the reproduction in protozoa with special mention of conjugation in paramecium. Describe the reproduction in protozoa with special mention of conjugation in paramecium. Okay, now here is the second unit. Question number 4. What is a canal system? Describe the canal system of Cyclone with suitable diagram and discuss the hydrodynamics systems. Okay, hydrodynamics means movement of water. You have to discuss in this question. Okay, and fifth is give an account of the different modes of methods of asexual reproduction in porifera. Okay, now this is unit third. Question number is 6. Give an account of general organization and affinities of Ctenophora. Okay, and 6 or 7. Describe the polymorphism in Coelenterata. Coelenterates with special reference to order Siphonophora. Okay. Add a note on importance of polymorphism. Here is your unit 4th. Question number 8. Describe the larval stages of cestodes and add a note on parasitism in Aschelminthes. 9 means again you can attempt only one question from unit 4th, 8 or 9. Okay, give an account of the general organization and affinities of Rotifera and explain why Rotifera has been placed in minor phyla. Okay, now I am going to discuss about second question paper of geology subject. Okay, biostatics, biosystematics and bioinstrumentation. Okay, here is note how to question divide and how to mark, etc. Okay, question number first is describe briefly of the following. Okay, sub question is A, coefficient of variance. You have to discuss here. And second is merits and demerits of median. And third is sibling species, sympatric species, DME, sedimentation coefficient, BN page, resolving power, refractive index, RF, relative front. Okay, unit first, question number second. Okay, here is the question with problems. Okay, means question is from the biostatics. Okay, here is our question. Okay, means you had to attempt only one question between in this. Okay, here is both question. Here is two question. You had to attempt only one question. Okay. Okay, now this is second unit. Question number third. What is biological species concept? Discuss the limitations of the concepts. Okay, or what are the objective of classification? Give a brief account of various theories of classification. Okay, here is unit 3rd, question number 4th. What is gel electrophoresis? Describe the principle and application of gel electrophoresis. Okay, or what is chromatography? Discuss partition and column chromatography in details. Okay, here is unit 4th, question number 5. Discuss the principle and functioning of phase contrast microscope. How does it different from compound and electron microscope? Okay, here is your or question. Describe the principal instrument design and applications of deep field compound microscope. Okay, now I'm going to discuss about questions of zoology 3rd paper, environmental biology. Okay, here is note also first and second. In this first question is write short answer of the following. Population of equilibrium is distribution, immigration, commensalism, decomposition, artificial ecosystem, trophic levels, global warming, biomarkers, in situ conservation. Okay, unit 1st, question number 2nd. Explain the population size and exponential growth. Only one question. Describe the interspecific competition among population. Okay, unit 2nd is start here. Question number 4. Describe the energy flow through an ecosystem. Or question number 5. Describe biogeochemical cycle of oxygen. Question number 3rd is 6. Question number 6 and unit is 3rd. Give an account of environmental stresses. Or question number 7. Describe biotransformation of environmental contaminants. Unit 4, question number 8. What are bioindicators? Describe it with examples. Or question number 9. Describe endangered species. Discuss the causes of depletion of wildlife. I am going to discuss about 4th paper, biochemistry. Okay, here is note first and second. Question number 1st. Describe briefly the following. Vitamin B complex, carcinogens, aging, gluconeogenesis, free energy, coenzymes, metastasis, activation energy, oncogenes, restriction, endonucleases. Unit 1st, question number 2nd. Define vitamins. How vitamins are classified. Add a note on their significance or write notes on allosteric enzyme and enzyme inhibition. Now here is unit 2nd, question number 3rd. What do you mean by enzymes? Explain the mechanism of enzyme action. Or write an essay on cell as an open thermodynamics. Okay, unit 3rd, question number 4. Describe the structure and general properties and biological significance of carbohydrates. Or classify lipids by giving the character and function of each groups. Okay, unit 4th, question number 5. What is a cancer? Discuss the various type of cancer recognized in human body. Or write short notes on HMP, oxidative phosphorylation. Okay, bye. I hope this video is useful for you. Please press the like button. Only press the like button.